This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for July 25th, 2024. It's currently June 11th, 2024, 10:24 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $536.95. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 25th reading was created on May 23rd, 2024 at 11:36 p.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. So this is another interesting day, guys. I was getting some clairvoyant impressions. I'm sorry to say, this might be like the day that Biden dies. I'm not sure. It seemed like there's some sort of health-related thing that happens this week of the 23rd through the 22nd through the 26th. But there's definitely something going on with Biden and Kamala Harris there. And I think on the 25th, it's very likely that there's a death there. The overall theme of behavior for the day, we have a decline offering opportunity to close shorts and open long positions. Behavior around the highest high. We have a failed attempt to break through previously established resistance followed by a decline to key support, and that's a nullified card, which we'll have to look at in more detail. Behavior around the lowest low. We have a rally along diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance to meet another resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels, and that'll be out of the low. I'm advised to trade around a rally, offering opportunity to close long positions and open up short positions, and it'll be a rally increasing with momentum moving forward in time. I'm going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior as well as finding the highs and lows and the best trade opportunities. But before that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube Tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. In the pre-market, we attempt to establish support, and there's a bit of a decline into the open. We have a low around the open, and out of that decline at the open, at key support level on a 1-month chart scale minimum, there's a fast sudden move higher. That's followed by more decline. So we have this low, fast sudden move higher, more decline into another low, like a sharp drop into another low that's formed somewhere around 11 o'clock. And then we have another rally out of that sharp drop, the low of that sharp drop. That's where we have that rally increasing with momentum moving forward in time. But it does offer opportunity to close shorts and open up longs. It's followed by price swings and another low. Yeah, so in the midst of this drop, there's support level here. We have like a sharp drop through. So when we meet that key support level on a 1-month chart scale, somewhere there in the first half hour, probably closer to 10, you might open up a partial short, and then if we rise and then drop through that support, it'll be a temporary drop through that support. I would look for lower price levels than this support and add to a long position, and then you could close that long position in the midst of this rally that we have here out of the low. That would be a good day trade, and it's price swings in here. I'm advised not to chase a big move to the upside here between 1 and 2. There's 3 pokes through the same trend line followed by a sharp drop between 2 and 3, and then between 3 and 4, there's a fast sudden move higher. Any bit of a decline here in the last 3 hours, that's going to offer opportunity to open up a long position for an overnight swing. Yeah, especially in this last hour into the closers, big move to the upside. It might look like we're dropping overnight. We might even drop overnight, come back to that support level from the 25th, but then move to the upside again. We'll look at that in more detail when we get into the reading for the 26th. That's SPY for July 25th, 2024. Oh, the sneak preview for the following day is a decline increasing with momentum moving forward in time. That's SPY for July 25th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.